Christy has been sick for weeks. Her mom has taken her to the doctor several times and she's been prescribed 3 different antibiotics, but none of them seem to be working. Christy is starting to fall behind in school and her mom can't miss any more work. But more than anything, Christy's mom is deeply concerned about her child and doesn't understand how a simple bacterial infection can keep her sick for so long. Little does she know, Christy's mom may be contributing to the problem. She's buying them family's meat from the local supermarket at the lowest price possible, but the price of the meat may be higher than she realizes. Typically, supermarket counter meat comes from large-scale factory farming operations. Thousands of chickens, cows, pigs, and other animals are kept in extremely confined spaces with unsanitary living conditions. In order to make these animals grow bigger faster, without being struck down by disease, they are given over-the-counter antibiotics from birth. These antibiotics are being given to animals that aren't even sick. This leads to a surge in bacteria that are resistant to antibiotics, and these bacteria make their way into the meat found on supermarket shelves. As these superbugs become more common, doctors and hospitals struggle to treat bacterial infections that used to require just a quick and easy prescription. They then have to try multiple rounds of treatment with a huge financial burden on the healthcare system and the taxpayer. And worse, Christy suffers and remains sick from something that was previously easy to cure. By supporting farms that are committed to only giving antibiotics to sick animals, every family can help combat the problem of antibiotic resistance. When we eat meat that hasn't been automatically dosed with antibiotics, we keep our drugs working for us when we need them most. In addition to supporting local farms and farmers markets, just look for the sticker at your meat counter that says organic or no added antibiotics, as these terms are regulated by the FDA. In order to prevent disease on these antibiotic-free farms, chickens, cows, and other livestock are given more open space and cleaner living conditions for a happier life. And that's something everyone can get behind.